What's up, guys? You can see the builders just leaving, and I am about to show you guys a 30 by 40 by 11 metal building that was just installed. It's fresh and clean, and we're gonna be taking a good look at that one. So let's get the day started for that. And remember, don't forget to subscribe. Every Friday I will be posting the video of all the information you need to know about metal buildings. So don't forget to subscribe and like. And so what we have here is a 30 wide by 45 long metal building. Is 11 foot tall. Now I did mention 40, but it's actually 45 long. I made that small little mistake, and I'm sorry about that. But what you can see here is that the doors are actually on the side. So essentially, this is the length. This is 45 long, and 30 wide is on the gable side. So it's on that side. What we have here is a 12 by 10 roll-up doors. There's two 12 by 10 roll-up doors, and then there's a window, and that's a 30 by 30 inch window, and also a mobile home walking door. Now our customer here is going to be using it to fix his cars, and you know, like a workshop, and also like put their lawnmowers. He is going to be spray foaming this building with closed cell spray foam. The colors we got for this metal building is all pewter gray, and then we got the black trimming all the way around. Now the type of roof we have is the vertical roof, which is like the best roof you can get. All the water flows from the peak to the edge. In this case, we're the roll-up door. So that's the situation he's gonna have, is that the water is gonna be dripping in front of his roll-up doors. But if you put some gutters, then that can prevent that. But if it's not really a problem for you, then it's totally fine. And then for the siding, if you notice, we have paneling that is running side to side. It's not the it is not the vertical paneling. So for the paneling, we have the horizontal siding. So essentially the panels are running lengthwise. There is the option to upgrade to a vertical, which is going up and down. And so one of the things that I'm a very big fan of is when the concrete gets done right. And I want to show this one again, because this is a pretty good concrete. It was built the right way. So essentially, this building is a 30 by 45. You want to build it 30 by 45, okay? And then one option you can do wherever you have your doors is to have a notch, okay? That notch, I'm going to show you right now. So right here is about 2 inches. I recommend it from 1.5 inches. My recommendation is 1.5 inches, but it's 2 inches and it's good. And then it's the opening of the door is actually 12, okay? But you want to do it about 6 inches more that way, and for the reason, because this is where the rail of the door will slide down, and it slides here, and that way all the water will just not sip in, or there will be all the water will not be seeping in through the bottom of the roll-up door. That's why I recommend it. And this allows, you know, if you do about 6 inches or less, it should be fine. So we're in the inside. It's actually fresh out here because the outside is like 88 degrees. But let's check out the inside here. So I mentioned this is a 30 wide building. If you look at the trussing, we do have a center brace going across, which takes away about 2 feet from your eaves, okay? And so the legs are at 11 feet. The pitch is rising to about 45 inches, which is about 4 feet. But you do have the center bracing taken away from your clearance. These corner bracing are for stability from wind. So as the wind is trying to push the building around, that's what maintains the stability from wind pressure on the sides. As I mentioned, customer is going to be doing closed cell spray foam to this building. Now the 12 by 10 roll-up doors come chain hoisted. So this is kind of where you lock it in to hold it, and then you unrelease it, and then I can release it down and lock it from here, from the inside. So you can only open these roll-up doors from the inside. You must have a walk-in door in order to have a chain hoisted roll-up door. So something important to consider is when you're putting a door, any type of door on the side that is a roll-up door or an overhead door, what needs to happen is we need to build a header, because right here, this is where we should have all our truss studs landing, okay? The truss and the studs should be landing there. So what we do is we build a header to be able to remove that and make that opening. That header needs about 1 foot. And also, the coil of the door needs that foot to be able to set it up above the opening. So always consider that. If you have a door, we might need from 1 foot to 2 feet of clearance. So if you have a 11-foot building, the tallest door you could fit in is probably a 10-foot tall door, okay? Keep that in mind, but we take care of that whenever you ask us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna show you how these roll-up doors work. And I'm gonna describe how it feels, how the tension feels, so you know how the roll-up door works. So here is where I release what's holding the door. If you notice, it's going by itself. Fairly easy, not too heavy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour for this 30 by 45 metal building, and stay tuned, because next upcoming video I will break it down from the process to the pricing of this metal building. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.